Hello friends, my name is Himanshu. Welcome back. In this video, I am going to describe you even more in conditional formatting, and we are going to understand few customized option into this. What I'm going to do in this particular sales range, I'm going to apply an icon set, and we are going to see how this icon set works. So I've selected this range, sales range. I'm going to home tab, then conditional formatting, icon set, and I have selected this particular rule, which is kind of a traffic signal, and the rule has been applied. Now how this rule has been applied, that we need to understand. Here it has divided this particular data into three parts. The top 33% has been given green signal, the bottom 33% red, and rest yellow. However, this has been done automatically, and I don't want that. I want that on the basis of figure. So how to do that? First of all, let me remove this rule. So I'm going to clear rule and going to select this data once again. I will go to conditional formatting and will click on new rule. In new rule, you may see this option, format all cells based on their values, and format style, I may go ahead and select icon set. I have selected my favorite icon set, that's a traffic signal, and here you may see that percent, the type, here its percent has been applied. And as I've told you, the bottom 33% red, the top 33% green, rest yellow. But I want this on the basis of figures. What I want that below 20,000 should be in a red color, and above 50,000 should be in green color, rest should be in yellow color. So rather than percent, I'm going to select number. You need to select number in both of this list option, and manually you will have to type the value. So for green, I have given the value 50,000, and for red I have selected the value which is 20,000. So for green I have given 50,000 value, and for red I have given, below red I have given 20,000, and between 20 to 50,000 it's going to be yellow. And click on OK. You may see here that below 20,000 only is in red color right now, and above 50,000 is in green color. The rest of them is in like yellow signal color. So this is how you can customize the rule according to your requirement. We are not done yet. There are few more things that we need to understand. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.